What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from Rana and Ravi. Or on Patreon, there's Lamar Jackson, as far as I know. He sent me this image anyway, and I did some research. And I think it's Lamar Jackson. I know nothing about the sport, just so we're all clear. So, I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. Don't know the significance of any of these teams or anything. I had friends in school who used to watch it, but never me. Right, start with his head. Yeah, it's kind of just dark in at his face, so I'll probably shade that like it's a visor. Alrighty, let's try. Okay, so we'll start with the bars that are over his eyes, right? I think we'll go this way, diagonal. Okay. And this seems to go, I'm going to do these black. I know they're red, but I won't be able to do them red. It's because of the thickness of my pen. Right, and this seems to go around the back of the helmet there. It is complicated. Football helmets are hard. So we go down then this way. Okay. And then there's a bar that comes across the middle of his head. So this is like where the visor is, I think. Yeah, okay. There and then straight up. Straight up. So it's kind of like a Formula One driver's helmet or a NASCAR driver's helmet, the visor part. Except we got like more bars in between. Right, so we've got like maybe like a bar here. And then there's another bar coming across. And like little bars. One there. Maybe like the visor maybe comes down. Yeah, it definitely does actually. So I'll just bring the visor down there, and then there's like a couple more bars in behind it and stuff. We can't see his eyes or anything. And then there's like a white part with a clip or a button or something here. Then there's the mouth part of the bars, so it goes that way. And then it comes down around his chin. And then joins back up there. And then there's, you guessed it, more bars. Oh, sort of welded together. So that's that bar. And then there's another bar in behind that bar. That must go just up beyond there. So then he's got like a thing going into his mouth, but we can see like the white jaw part here. And then there's a strap or something like wrapped around this going into his mouth, kind of disappears into here, so I'm not quite sure. I'm sure it has a reason. It's probably like his gum shield or something. Okay. Right, and then we get like the shape for the white part of the helmet, so that's like his chin, but this gets real big up here. And there's like holes, little black holes and stuff like that. And then the top of the helmet, sorry if I'm sniffling by the way, I have a bit of a head cold. So then there's like a thing in the middle here. Doing my best to get as much of the details of it as possible. So it's like an eagle or something on his head here too, like a cartoon kind of eagle. And a little clip or something here. Right, so now the jump body position. So the football down there. Any more bars on that? No. Right. I think that's like around his mouth or something in there. No idea. No idea what I'm drawing. It doesn't help. So then this goes this way. His shoulder. I know this is a shoulder pad. And then this one comes down that way. Yeah, like here. This is like his jersey coming around his shoulder. Right. Arm straight down there, but his body sort of goes around here for the bottom of his t-shirt. Like a logo here. And then like Adidas, the Adidas sort of triangle is here as well. Now, as much detail as you want to put into it, you know, like I think it says Louisville there. But I'm not 100% sure. This is number 8. Let's hope that's an 8. It's all crinkled up because of the stretches of his, you know, his jersey, like all these stretchy lines coming across his belly because he's jumping high up. And he's got some padding on his back here, I think. Do. So that's not his elbow now. That's like the back of his jersey. So he's pretty strong looking. So we got like shoulder, triceps, big triceps, bicep at the front. Arm comes down this way to an elbow. And then his biceps will be like there somewhere. Join his forearm muscle, which curves this way. So that is definitely padding. But there's like a wristband here with that sort of eagle thing again. And then we got the football in his hand here, so we'll get that. We got a finger just holding on to it, I think. That was amazing, the athleticism of these guys. I think there's another finger here. And then his bicep and forearm. Right, legs. So legs real high up and padded as well. So they're kind of bumpy, okay? Goes behind the football here. So I think we got a knee right here. Just their shorts there first. He's got a hand here, but I'll come back to that because the hand's kind of complicated. I'll just leave a sort of a gap. And we get like his hamstring and all that stuff in. Like some stitching here. Right, and his knee there, and then his shin and calf. And he's got a sock on, so it gets kind of bumpy here. And then out this side, that's like his knee, is it? It's kind of straighter. How's he even doing? Crazy. And then a sock. It's like he's doing the splits nearly. Michael Jackson dance in the air. Right, so boots. I'll do this boot first. And we're gonna get as much detail in it as I can, but I think you call them cleats in the US, don't you? Kind of studs on the end. Well, they're molded plastic. I'm not going to be able to get all that in, but do my best. It's very detailed. Put some AstroTurf maybe just for the jump. Good blades of grass. I know it's probably not real grass, but still. Right, then there's other one down here. So we can see his heel. It's like a stud out the back really, and maybe a little one there. And then just his laces kind of. And maybe some AstroTurf debris in the air. I'm trying to get his hand in now. The hand is in a weird position. It's like, ooh, it's like that. So it's weird. Do my best. Pinky kind of sticks out. Ring finger. Not easy to draw this now. And this one kind of comes down. And then his thumb, I think. Alright. And that is kind of the way his hand is, but that's like really tricky. Got a piece of fabric just hanging down here as well. I don't know if you want me to do the guy down here. Maybe I will. I'll just get like his body in a bit. Like his back is here. He's jumping over a dude. So it's like a back there. And then we'll do the number 2 and 1. And then the helmet. And there's like some clips and bars and visors and stuff all here as well. Okay, so Lamar Jackson, what a jump. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for the support on Patreon, Rana and Ravi. See you in the next one. Bye.